Hi! Welcome to our coding class on functions in Python. Are you ready to learn about how functions work? Let's get started. A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. Functions help us organize our code and make it easier to understand and reuse. Functions also help us to avoid repeating code, which saves time and reduces errors. To create a function in Python, we use the def keyword, followed by the name of the function and any parameters it may have, enclosed in parentheses. Let's take a look at an example. Here, we've created a function called greet, which takes one parameter called name. The function prints a personalized greeting to the person whose name is passed as an argument. To call a function, we simply use its name followed by the arguments we want to pass, enclosed in parentheses. Let's see an example. Here, we've called the function greet with the argument Taya. The code will print the greeting, hello, Taya. Functions can take one or more parameters, which are the values passed into the function when it is called. Parameters allow us to make our functions more flexible and reusable. Let's take a look at an example. Here, we've created a function called add_numbers, which takes two parameters called number1 and number2. The function adds the two numbers together and prints the result. Here, we've called the function add_numbers with the arguments 5 and 7. The code will print the result of adding the two numbers together, which is 12. Finally, functions can also return values, which are the results of the function's calculations. To return a value from a function, we use the return keyword. Let's take a look at an example. Here, we've created a function called multiply_numbers, which takes two parameters called number1 and number2. The function multiplies the two numbers together and returns the result. Here, we've called the function multiply_numbers with the arguments 3 and 4, and assigned the result to the variable result. The code will multiply the two numbers together and return the result, which will be assigned to the variable result. And that's it. You've learned about functions in Python, how to create and call functions, use function parameters and arguments, and return values from functions. Keep practicing and exploring new things. Programming is awesome. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.